Beneath the still water lies the key to ethical luxury.
The ancient predators are here not as subjects, but as partners. Meet the living blueprint for sustainable luxury.
In this controlled environment, every detail serves both animal welfare and innovation.
Daily hydration rituals maintain the animal's health and comfort.
Gentle hydration prepares the skin for non-invasive scanning while ensuring animal comfort.
Careful cleaning removes debris while mapping the intricate scale patterns.
With hydration and cleaning complete, and the animal is ready for the next phase, non-invasive digital scanning.
Specialized non-contact scanners capture every microscopic detail without disturbing the animal.
The laser grid captures millions of data points, mapping every ridge and valley.
Each scale's unique topology is recorded, creating a digital fingerprint. Capture data streams into processing software, where algorithms build three-dimensional models. Powerful algorithms analyze millions of data points, constructing precise digital replicas.
Initial test prints verify pattern accuracy before full-scale synthetic production begins.
Every printed sample undergoes rigorous comparison to ensure biological accuracy.
Each validated pattern is photographed and archived, creating a comprehensive biomimetic database.
From dozens of scans emerges a complete library of natural patterns ready for synthetic replication.
Validated patterns now move to the synthesis lab, where chemistry transforms data into material.
The journey from natural pattern to synthetic material begins in the biopolymer synthesis laboratory.
Here, raw biopolymers will be engineered to replicate the exact texture and durability of natural crocodile skin.
Each natural pattern requires custom polymer formulation to achieve authentic texture and flexibility. Copperess. A thickness, density, and flexibility must match natural skin properties exactly. Formulation scientists translate scanned geometry into precise molecular recipes.
Each formulation begins with precise measurements of biopolymer base materials.
Base polymers form the structural foundation that will carry the replicated texture pattern.
Plasticizers and binding agents create the flexibility that mimics natural skin. Magnetic stirring ensures homogeneous blending without introducing air bubbles.
Molecular bonding begins as components integrate into uniform biopolymer matrix.
Within minutes, a homogeneous biopolymer base emerges, ready for color and texture additives.
Pigments derived from the scanned color data recreate the exact olive green hue of natural scales.
Precise pigment dosing ensures color consistency across every batch. As pigments integrate, the signature olive green of saltwater crocodile skin emerges.
Layered pigmentation recreates the complex color variation found in living scales.
Amber highlights replicate the sun-warmed tones found on dorsal scales.
The result is a biopolymer that captures the living complexity of natural crocodile coloration.
With formulation complete, the biopolymer is ready for extrusion into sheet form.
The formulated biopolymer now moves to extrusion, where it will be transformed into continuous sheet material.
The extruder will heat and pressurize the polymer, forcing it through precision dies.
Careful feeding ensures consistent material flow throughout the extrusion process.
Heating elements will bring the polymer to precise extrusion temperature.
Controlled heating brings the polymer to optimal viscosity for extrusion.
The extruder screw feeds polymer into the heated barrel, where pressure and temperature transform its state.
Precision engraved dies carry the exact pattern captured from living crocodiles. The die must be perfectly aligned to ensure uniform pattern transfer across the material surface. Each microscopic ridge and valley mirrors the biological original with sub-millimeter accuracy.
The polymer emerges as a continuous sheet at precisely controlled temperature and thickness. The freshly extruded material is still pliable, perfect for receiving the embossed pattern. Cooling rollers stabilize the material temperature and ensure uniform thickness.
Precision roller pressure ensures consistent 2 mm thickness throughout. The cooled sheet is precisely positioned over the engraved die for pattern transfer.
Perfect registration ensures the pattern transfers uniformly across the entire surface. This descent begins with carefully calibrated pressure to avoid damaging the delicate pattern. In seconds, the die pattern will be permanently transferred into the polymer matrix. Held under pressure, and the pattern becomes permanently embedded in the molecular structure.
As pressure releases, the permanently patterned material emerges transformed.
The synthetic material now carries the exact surface architecture of natural crocodile skin. The biomimetic texture is now permanently part of the material, ready for finishing.
Quality inspection verifies pattern accuracy and surface consistency before final processing.
Microscopic inspection ensures every detail matches the biological reference standard.
High-intensity lighting reveals every ridge and valley for quality verification.
Sub-millimeter measurements confirm the pattern matches biological specifications exactly. Consistent pattern transfer and color accuracy confirm and this batch meets production standards, ready for final finishing.
In the workshop finishing area, each sheet receives artisan attention to detail.
Precision edge trimming removes excess material and ensures uniform dimensions.
Careful measurements ensure each sheet yields maximum usable material. The rotary action creates smooth edges that require no further finishing.
Trimmed to specification, and the material is ready for surface treatment.
Natural conditioning oils preserve flexibility while enhancing the embossed texture.
Conditioning brings out the three-dimensional detail while protecting the surface. Treated sheets are carefully stored, allowing the conditioning to cure before pattern cutting.
With material-prepared craftsmen use precision templates to cut wallet components.
Precision templates ensure each wallet component is cut to exact specifications.
Templates are positioned to maximize pattern consistency across each component. Weighted templates ensure accurate tracing without material movement.
Each component is traced with precision, ensuring perfect fit during assembly.
With outlines marked cutting, can proceed to create individual wallet components.
Precision rotary cutting produces components with clean edges ready for assembly. Card slot strips require precision cutting to ensure smooth card insertion. Organized component trays ensure efficient assembly workflow.
Multiple templates allow complete wallet fabrication from minimal material waste. Practice technique allows rapid yet precise component fabrication.
Each component undergoes visual inspection, ensuring structural and aesthetic quality.
Efficient cutting maximizes material usage with minimal waste.
Edge beveling creates smooth finished edges that enhance durability and aesthetics.
Finishing begins with the outer shell, the wallet's most visible component.
Finished components combine biological authenticity with artisan craftsmanship ready for assembly.
Precision stitching transforms individual components into functional luxury goods. Waxed thread and industrial machines ensure stitching strength that lasts decades.
Waxed thread provides strength and water resistance essential for premium wallets.
Precise component alignment ensures symmetrical stitching and professional appearance.
The first stitch line will join outer shell and lining along the top edge.
Each stitch penetrates both layers, binding them permanently with industrial strength.
Consistent stitch spacing ensures both strength and aesthetic appeal. Corners require careful pivoting to maintain stitch consistency.
Precise corner pivoting ensures continuous stitch lines without gaps. With primary stitching complete, and the wallet structure is established.
Meticulous thread trimming ensures a refined, finished appearance.
Card slot strips create organized storage for multiple cards.
Layered construction creates separate pockets for organized card storage.
Final stitching secures card slots and closes the wallet structure. Industrial strength stitching through multiple layers ensures decades of durability.
With stitching complete and the wallet structure is fully assembled, ready for edge finishing.
Edge coating and burnishing create polished, professional edges that resist wear. Edge coating seals and protects the polymer while creating a refined, finished look.
Burnishing creates glass-smooth edges that rival traditional leather craftsmanship.
The combination of embossed texture, stitched construction, and burnished edges creates luxury product quality.
Precise hardware placement ensures functionality and aesthetic balance.
Precision punched holes ensure perfect hardware fit and alignment.
Magnetic snaps provide secure closure while maintaining the wallet's slim, elegant profile.
Careful setting secures hardware permanently while protecting the embossed surface. The completed wallet combines biological authenticity, artisan craftsmanship, and functional design.
From living crocodile to digital capture to synthetic biomimicry, ethical luxury without compromise.